Hi, I'm Leslie, a producer on Assassin's Creed Unity. The team and I are excited to present the world premiere of our new co-op gameplay. For the first time ever, you can experience the open world of Paris with up to 3 friends in one of the most brutal, chaotic time periods in human history, the French Revolution. Today's mission takes place at the dawn of the French Revolution, where the people of France are dying of starvation. 4 assassins will be playing together to infiltrate a royal palace under siege. Your objective is to assassinate the Marquis, a corrupt noble hoarding food, and help bring justice to the people. We've built the city of Paris to be a truly open world, entirely available for you and your friends to explore. The result is an urban playground that's yours to discover, with seamless interiors, massive catacombs, and monumental scope and scale. The mob demands justice.
Now we're doing a leap of faith.
Right, whenever you're ready.
Alright.
Go the rail.
Shit.
Knocked off by there. That will mess up your balance. But he does make it to the rope swing.
Go ahead. All your power.